How's it going, guys? My name is Luke and I'm one of the facility attendants here at Jim Ward Community Center, and today I'm going to teach you how to do a DIY wooden popsicle stick wreath, and this is what it's going to look like after it's complete. So for this project, the materials you will need will be at least 20 wooden popsicle sticks. You could use more if you want, but at least use a minimum of 20. Some strong double-sided tape and a pack of markers. So to start off, we're going to take 2 of our wooden popsicle sticks and shape them into an upside down V. Then we're going to take a little piece of our double-sided tape, place it right on the end, and then we're going to take another popsicle stick and place it right in between them. And then we're just going to continue this process, so on and so forth, until we make a full circle. So to save a little bit of time, because this takes a lot of time to do, I'm going to show you one that's already completed. So after it's completed, it should look something like this. After you've completed it, all you're going to do is flip it over just so that there's less tape showing, and then you're more than welcome to color in the sticks with the markers if you want. And yeah, and then after that, it should look something like this. Like I said before, you know, I recommend using a minimum of 20 popsicle sticks. If you want to use more, go for it. I used a few more, but yeah, but this is what it should look like after the fact, after coloring in all the popsicle sticks. Like I said before, I recommend using a minimum of 20. You know, you could use more if you want. I used a few more than 20, but yeah, but don't use any less than 20. And yeah, that's what it looks like.